Through this video, I am going to tell what should be our line of action for preparing upcoming CAT examination within 5 months. Actually, this examination has three sections. They are quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and data interpretation, and verbal ability and reading comprehension. For this, we have to strategize our preparation in a very smart manner so that we can fetch high percentile in this 5 month, and we can convert our call for top B schools and our dream IIMs. Here we have quantitative aptitude, which has a set pattern, which has specific syllabus, so we can rely on previous year paper, and we can we can prioritize our topics, such as first we have to start from percentage, which become the base for the concept for another chapter, such as algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and another chapters of arithmetic, such as compound interest, simple interest, time and work, mixture and allegation, and many other respective chapters of arithmetic. And whenever paper is set by IIM Ahmedabad and Lucknow, there is high weightage of arithmetic, so one can fetch and can score high marks in quantitative aptitude by merely having firm grip and command and mastery over this topic. And now I am going to tell about how we can prepare for logical reasoning and data interpretation. Well, this has no set pattern, so we can collect previous year paper for all the slots of CAT from 2020 2013 to 2028, 2013 to 2023, and we can segregate the topics based on we can segregate the topic based on some patterns, such as permutation and combination. We have games and tournament, sitting arrangement pattern, puzzle, we have number system, dice, rings, fences. So by collecting previous year paper and segregating and analyzing them as per the set pattern, and then after channelizing our preparation in that direction, will help us and lead us to high percentile in this section. Now coming to another section, that is verbal ability and reading comprehension. There is single technique to perform well in this pattern section, is to practice. This is the only key behind scoring high percentile in it. First we have to practice verbal ability and reading comprehension a lot. This will train our mind and boost our accuracy and reduce our errors in the examination hall. And in all the three sections, we have to train our mind to what to leave and what to do. What to leave and what to do are the two technique, are the two options by which we can score, by which we can perform well. The judicious utilization of time is also the key point, where we can practice and train our mind on the same pattern to score high. Because many questions, many passages, many problems are made to confuse candidates, made to eat precious time of candidates, so one can practice in pressure time to train mind and to increase accuracy, and to have exponential jump and geometric jump in the percentile. Thank you.